What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy J Reef, J Reef's Love, of course. So we out here today, and I got a special guest with me. Who am I with? Say your name.
Kai.
This is my little nephew. So he said he wanted to be in one of my videos. So today, we're gonna make him a movie star. But we're gonna make him a movie star in a different way. We're gonna get his reaction to a cold start. He don't even know what that means, but today he gonna learn. Let's see exactly what he does when he hear me start up my Corvette. Are you ready to hear that?
Yes.
Now why you wanna be in one of my videos? Tell me.
Cause I want to be on TV.
Oh, you wanna be on TV? You know this YouTube. Okay, so my brother-in-law be watching my videos, and my nephew be watching them too. Oh, he's so sweet. So today we're gonna put him in one. All right, so here's what we're gonna do, Kai. I'm gonna need you to stand like right here. You're gonna have to stand like right here, okay? And then, hold on, start. We're gonna make you stand like right there. So, just stand there, do not move. You can't move once you stand there. And then, we're gonna record this cold start action. So, let's see, how do I wanna do this? We're gonna do it like this. All right, here we go, stand right there. Hopefully, Blue won't mess up the video. Keep looking right there. Don't move. Okay, we got a reaction. I didn't want to drown him out with fumes, so we made it a short one. So Kai, was it loud, not loud? How was it?
It was loud. Did
it scare you?
Kind of.
Kind of? You weren't expecting it?
Yeah.
They don't be expecting it when I be putting that gap on them neither. Alright, so then, you ever sat in that one? You never sat in that one. This is a different one.
Is it going to be loud?
I'm going to let you be the judge. So, well, I tell you what. Where you going? Come here. Yeah, that's the dog.
Hello, Dog Blue.
I won't get too close. So here, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I ain't got my key. We won't even worry about that. All right. So, you want me to take you for a ride in it? Have you ever gone 150 miles an hour? Oh, you done went 150 miles per hour before?
No. I thought you said it could go 150 miles per hour.
Oh, they go faster than that. I said, have you ever been?
No.
Okay, to the parents of Kai, we are fixing to go on a 150 miles per hour drive. We ain't gonna do that, boy. Your parents killed me. All right, let's wrap this video up. All right, so we got the cold start from a nephew. Yeah, he heard it, he liked it. Maybe this will encourage another generation to become car fanatics. Do you like cars? Do you want to build a race car when you get older?
Yes.
What kind of car you gonna build when you get older?
That kind of car.
You gonna build that kind?
Yes.
That one gonna be super old by then. I may give you that one when you get big.
It's okay.
You can drive at 150 miles per hour. Tell your daddy I said so.
Okay.
I think that may be. You might be kind of good at this, boy.
My hands are kind of trying to cry because the sun was.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
I didn't think about that. All right, do it again. That one ain't as crazy. Like you covering your ears. You ain't got to squeeze hard. Open your mouth like.